Hey yo, what's up world? If you knew better, you do better, you know better, you do better, you stack more cheddar, you dig. This is my first ever YouTube review. This is a primarily skate review channel. We are a skate shop located in Brooklyn, New York. But I am a shoe fan and a fan of comfortable shoes, I should say. Specifically, I'd like to take care of my feet. What I'm gonna do is jump right into this product. This is the YZY Basketball Knit. It was released on February 18th, which is a Friday. I ordered these on the Adidas Confirmed app. They arrived on Saturday. I did not know that the process was that quick and that smooth. So this is your first look at the shoe. This is a size 10.5. Gonna be a little careful. You know what I'll do here? I'll give you a little look on the outside of the box to give you an idea of the packaging that comes with this product. This is shipped directly from, I don't know if you can see. Let's just get into the product. This is a size 10.5. And let's jump right into it. I am shooting in a warm light, compact fluorescent, and I am shooting on the iPhone 12 Max Pro. So this shoe, from what I understood, was not really hyped. It was not mentioned as to when it would be released, nor the colorway. So I woke up Friday morning, surprised to see a notification on the Confirmed app. It is a very neon-like shoe. I'm hearing that there's lots of problems getting this shoe on and off, but let's dive right into it. And again, this is just an unboxing review, so this is more or less first impressions of what you're gonna get with this product. There will be more videos in the future. I'm hearing that there are problems getting your foot in and out of this product and out of the shoe. And so far, just getting my hands in here seems to be a bit of an issue. We're gonna move this box over to the side. Again, this is a 10.5. All of the products that I will be reviewing are products that are going to be my size, and I am a 10.5, but I will continuously order my true size, whether or not I am supposed to size up or size down. So again, let's see if we can get inside of one of these shoes. it does seem and feel like it's very snug. Just getting my hands in here, just trying to open this up. You know, I have a general rule of thumb that if I can't get my hand in here, there's no way I can get my foot in here. And I'm having a very difficult time just getting my hand into this shoe. So design-wise, I would say probably poor choice of design on their part. Again, these shoes retail at $300 US. And man, this is a really snug shoe. Sheesh. Anyways, that is my unboxing of the YZY Basketball Knit Energy Glow. I'm trying to see if it changes colors or if there's any reflective material in here. Just as I pass this light in person, I can see there is a little hue of sparkle throughout the upper mesh that I don't see on the sides. I see it on the toe box area, a little bit of shimmer that does not exist anywhere else on the product. So yeah, I do believe there is some sort of 3M sprinkled in the toe box area, and it sort of stops around the ball of the foot.